here we are going to take some word problems of linear equations in two variables. See friends, here there are different kinds of examples here. Some examples are depend upon ages. Some examples are depend upon geometrical sums. Some examples are depend upon numbers. In that numbers, one is smaller one is greater one. Okay, we will suppose smaller one as x or greater number as x and other one y. Like this we have to suppose first. Sometimes the examples are depend upon two-digit number. That example is very important. Two-digit number means what? Suppose we'll take one number that is 92. How this number form? This 92 is nothing but 90 plus 2. How this 90 form? This is nothing but 9 into 2 plus 2. So like this the bifurcation of a number. So here for this and this we are going to suppose x and y. And by that we can get two-digit number. There are so many examples are depend upon this one. In some horse example, three-digit numbers also. But in that three-digit number, unit and 100 are there correlated. And sometimes units and tens also correlated. Like these are the sums. Now we are going to take some examples from that practice sheet 1.5 one by one. Okay friends? See friends, here there are different kinds of examples here. Some examples are depend upon ages. Some examples are depend upon geometrical sums. Some examples are depend upon numbers. In that numbers, one is smaller one is greater one. Okay, we will suppose smaller one as x or greater number as x and other one y. Like this we have to suppose first. Sometimes the examples are depend upon two-digit number. That example is very important. Two-digit number means what? Suppose we'll take one number that is 92. How this number form? This 92 is nothing but 90 plus 2. How this 90 form? This is nothing but 9 into 2 plus 2. So like this the bifurcation of a number. So here for this and this we are going to suppose x and y. And by that we can get two-digit number. There are so many examples are depend upon this one. In some horse example, three-digit numbers also. But in that three-digit number, unit and 100 are there correlated. And sometimes units and tens also correlated. Like these are the sums. Now we are going to take some examples from that practice sheet 1.5 one by one. Okay friends? See here, first one. Two numbers differ by 3. Okay? The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Then we have to find these two numbers. Okay friends? Here difference is there. Whenever the difference is there, always suppose the larger one or greater number first. Okay? See here. Let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. See, by first condition. What is the first condition? See here, two numbers differ by 3. Differ means difference. Okay, so what we can write? That is the greater number x, smaller number y, means what? X minus y equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Means the difference is 3. Okay, what is the second condition? See here, by second condition. What is condition number 2? The sum of twice the smaller number. Twice the smaller number. It is twice the smaller number. Okay. Sum of means and thrice the greater number. Their sum is how much? 90. Like this. See here. Twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Their sum is 90. Understand? Now this one just try to write in need form. How? First of all write here x term and then write y term. This is equation number 2. Like this, we'll find these two equations. Once we form these two equations, then next part is very much similar as we saw in first 4 practice sets. What we are going to make here? See, here there are different signs. That means here we have to multiply by 2 to the first equation. So, multiply to both sides of equation number 1 by 2. What we get here? This is 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. Each term we have to multiply by 2. This is equation number 3. This is the reform of 1. Now, 2 and 3, just observe, they have different signs with same coefficients. That means we have to add. By adding 2 and 3. By adding 2 and 3. What is 2 here? 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. And now here, this is 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. See friends, how easy it is. These two getting cancelled. Here it is 5x is equal to 25. So x equal to 5. Okay. Now after getting this 5, substitute x equal to 5 in 1, which is very easy. So put up here x minus y equal to 3. Put up here 5 minus y equal to 3. So we'll take minus y to that side. 3 comes this side. Here it is 2. Like this we find x and y. What these are? The two numbers are 5 and 2. We can write directly. Therefore, the two numbers are 5 and how much? It is 2 here. Let's verify whether it is correct or no. First condition, their difference is 3. Is it correct? Yes. Now, twice the smaller number means 2 2s are 4. And thrice the greater number, 5 3s are 15. 15 and 4. Their sum is what? 90. Like this, we can verify. So, only don't fear about these word problems. Try to concentrate, read it very carefully, the example, and try to get the meaning of example. And it is very easy to simplify these kinds of word problems. Okay, friends? See here, in the next example, they are given to some figure. Figure means some information in pictorial form. Okay, friends? See first, I am a rectangle. Rectangle means what? Their opposite sides are congruent. Okay? So first of all, because of it is a rectangle, their opposite sides are same. So opposite sides are what? 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to other one 4x minus y. Okay, this is one pair of opposite side. Another pair is also there. What is that? 2y. We may write here this side. 2y is equal to x plus 4. Okay, like this. What these are? They are, we can write here, opposite sides of rectangle. How they are? They are same. Okay, so now we can make in the form of equation. See how? 2x minus 4x, this side comes, okay, plus y, again this one plus y, and then 8 goes to that side, minus 7. Means what we get here? Minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. That side, minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. This is 2. Now just observe. Again it is very very simple. What do we get? Plus 2y plus 2y means what? By just subtracting, we can eliminate the y term. Okay? See here. Subtract equation number 2 from 1. What do we get here? Minus x plus 2y. From 1 means we try first here. Minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. From this, we are going to subtract the second one. That is minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Like this. So whenever, you know here, whenever we are going to make subtraction, at that time, change the signs of second equation. Means what? Plus, minus. Here no sign means plus. So the change. So these two are getting cancelled. We get here minus 2x plus 1x, that is minus 1x. This side minus 12. So x equal to 12. Now this one we can substitute any one of the equation number, either 1 or 2. So what we can write here? Substitute x equal to 12 in, we can write in 2, okay? In equation number 2. What is 2 here? Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. So here put the value of x, which is 12. Okay, now I'll take that value to that side. 2y equal to 4 plus 12. So 2y is equal to 16. Y is equal to what? 8. Like this we can find. So after getting x and y, these two, what we are going to find in the next? What they ask here? Find the values of x and y. Here these are x and y. I'll write first again. X equal to 12, y equal to 8. Okay. Again, find my perimeter and area. My perimeter, I am a rectangle. So what is my perimeter? So 2 into length plus breadth, like this one. Okay. So first of all, we are write here perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Friends, because of we need here like this one, that means we have to first find length and breadth separately. Okay, so first we have to find length here. Okay, so tell me, what about length? These two are, we say both these are lengths. So may we write here 4x minus 1 minus y as a length. We can put here. So tell me what? 4 into 12 minus 8. Here it is 12 fours are how much? 48 minus 8 means it is 40. And what about breadth? You can take either 2y or x plus 4, anything. I will take x plus 4. Okay, what is x plus 4? 12 plus 4, which is 16. Okay, now after getting these two, we can find now perimeter of rectangle. That is 2 into L plus B. 2. What is length? Just we find 40. Breadth 60. How much Ray? 2 into 56. Here it is 112. Whether they are given to us in terms of centimeter or like this? No. Just we'll write as a units. Okay. Now after that, area of rectangle. You know that is length into breadth. What about length? That is only 40. And what about breadth? Here it is 60. So write this 0 as it is. 16 fours are 64. So 640 square units. Like this we can write area and this is perimeter. Understand friends? Like this. So no need to fear about these word works. Just read and just try to solve. Okay? Okay, one more sum is there. Third sum. That is depend upon age. Age is of father and his son. So I'll read first. See here. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Okay? And if we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, then the sum will be 95. Then we have to find their present ages. Okay? So I suppose x and y. See, let the present age of father be x years. Okay? And the present age of his son be y years. Okay? So by the first condition, that conditions are very much important. What is the first condition? The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. Their sum is how much? That is 70. Finish. This is equation number 1. Now, what is the second one? If we double the age of his father, okay, by the second condition, what is second condition? Double the age of father, and this one add it to the age of his son. No double. Don't make the double of son. Only add it to the son's age. Then their sum will be how much? 95. Finish. This is equation number 2. Simple. So here very simple part is, that means either you may multiply here by 2 to make x coefficients are same, or you may multiply by here also. So I will multiply here by 2. Okay? See here. Multiply to both sides of equation number 1 by 2. So 2x plus 2 to the 4y and 2 7s are 14 means 140. This is equation number 3. Now part 2 and 3. Just look here. 2x means subtraction. So subtract equation 1 from 2. Yes, or 2 and 3, sorry. Subtract 2 from 3. Okay, subtract equation 2 from 3. Okay, from 3 means I will write first this one. It's 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. From this, if we subtract this second one, so what will be the second one? Look here. Yes, make it very easily, carefully. We have to solve. So again, our usual procedure is what? Subtraction means change the signs, taking, okay, getting cancel here. This is 3y, and that side how much? Tell me. 140 minus 95, which is 45. Okay, so now y is equal to 45 by 3, so y equal to 50. Now this one, substitute y equal to 50 in 1. So what is 1? X plus 2y equal to 70. Yes. Now put here 2 into 50. Okay. So x plus how much? 30. So by simplification, we'll get x equal to how much? Yes, 40. So what is x? This is present age of father. Right here. The present age of father, which is x equal to 40 years. And present age of his son, that is y, which is how much? Y equal to 15 years. Okay? After getting answers, try to verify. X equal to 40 and y equal to 15. See here. X equal to 40 means here, so the age of his father, and twice the age of his son, that is 70. So 40 plus twice of 15, 30, 40, 30, 70. Here double the age of father means 40 to the 80, plus add it to the son's age, which is 50, means 80 plus 15, 95. Like this we can verify. Understand? Okay friends, now we take the third sum. See, what is the third sum? Third sum is dependent upon a fraction. So in the fraction number, what is that? Numerator and denominator. Both have, like suppose numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay, let's suppose first. Let numerator of fraction be x and denominator of fraction be y. Therefore, the required fraction is x upon y. This is first information what we have to suppose. And now there are two conditions they are given. We'll take one by one. So by first condition, what is condition number 1? Read it very carefully. See, the denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. That is, denominator of a fraction is 4 more numerator. Like this. Understand? Again I am telling you. Denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Understand? Right now in neat form, that is minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Now what about condition number 2 here? Okay, condition 2 here. Read it very carefully. See here. What is that given to us? Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. When? If both numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Means what? Here numerator and denominator these two are. And we are going to reduce them. Means what? X minus 6 and y minus 6. Okay? After reducing 6 in both numerator and denominator. So look here, what will be the new numerator, or you may write here by reducing 6 from numerator and denominator. What is numerator? Reduce x minus 6. What about denominator? That is y minus 6. Now in these two, what they are given to us? Read it. Denominator becomes, means this one. So y minus 6 becomes 12 times the numerator. 12 times the numerator, which is x minus 6. Okay? I will again explain. See here. What is our condition number 2? We have to reduce 6 from both numerator and denominator. Subtract 6 from both. Okay? This is numerator, new numerator, and this is denominator. Okay, now here, denominator, after reducing, this one is 12 times the numerator, like this one. Now again, just try to simplify. We'll get one neat standard form of one equation. See here. Y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 12 6 is 72 here. Is correct? 72. Now take this 12x to this side, minus 12x, here it is plus y. Now take that 6 to that side, minus 72 plus 6. So here, minus 12x plus y, here it is minus 66. This is equation number 2 here. Yes. Once we form this equation in neat form, the next part is very simple. See here, what is our next step? Here C plus y plus y. Means there is no option, only subtraction. So subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, anything you can make. So I will make here subtract 2 from 1. Why? Because here minus 66. That is why. So subtract 2 from 1. So write first 1, which is minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Subtraction is there. Okay. Minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 66. As usual, we have to change the signs. Now this one getting cancelled. What will we get here? This is plus 10x. Okay? Plus 12x minus 2 means plus 10x. Now here this side plus 4 plus 66 means 70. So x equal to how much? 7. So by dividing 10 to 70. Okay, now this substitute x equal to 7 in either 1 or 2. Yes, 1 is looking like easy. So put up here in 1. So what is 1 here? Minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. In which we have to substitute x equal to 7. So minus 2 into 7 plus y equal to 4. This is minus 14. Yes, now take that too. Okay. So here it is y equal to 18. So what is x and y? They are numerator and denominator. What we have to find? We have to find that required fraction. So here this is in form. Therefore, required fraction, which is in the form of x upon y. So we'll put, what is x? 7. And what about y? 18. So this is the required fraction. Let's verify whether we are correct or no. Okay? See, 7 upon 18 is there. What is our first condition? Denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator. Denominator is 4 more, twice the numerator. What is twice the numerator? 14 plus 4, 18. Now what about the second one? Subtract 6 from both. What will get here? Subtract 6 from here. So it is 1. Here 12. So now see here the denominator will come or become 12 times the numerator. Yes, it is. Like this we have to verify. Okay. Here this is required fraction is 7 upon 18. Okay friends. See here in the next sum, which is fifth sum. What is there? See here, they are given to us one conditions, different type of example here. I'll read it. There are two types of boxes, A and B. Okay. So number of boxes of A and number of boxes of B. Okay, certain number of they are placed. The capacity of truck is 10 tons. Do you know 1 ton equal to 1000 kilogram? Okay. So in the first condition, what they are given to us? They are given to us 150 boxes of A and 100 boxes of B. When these boxes when loaded in a truck, then that truck capacity, that means 10 tons will be completely loaded. This is the first condition. Okay. And in the second condition, what they are given to us, if 260 boxes of type A, when loaded in truck, still accommodated 40 boxes of type B. Means 260 types of A and 40 boxes of B. When they are loaded, then also the truck is completely loaded. Okay? Means what we have to find here? Here we have to find the weight of each type boxes. Means what is our supposition first? Let the weight of A type box be X kilogram and the weight of B type box be Y kilograms. Okay, what is our first condition? By first condition, how many boxes of type A in the first condition? That is 150 boxes. Means 150x plus how many boxes of type B here? 100 boxes. Means 100y. Then the truck will be completely loaded. Means what is capacity of that truck? 10 tons. Means 10 into 1000. That is 10,000. So number of zeros. Be take care. Okay. You may divide here by 50 also by making some easy form. Okay. Because of in the next condition 260, 40, again 10,000. So we can divide by 10 also. Or you may divide by 50 also. Okay, that is depend upon yourself. I will divide by 50. Divide by 50 to both sides. This is for our convenience. So divide 50 here, that will come 3x. Here divide, that is 2y. Here divide, see here, divide here. What will you get? 0, 0 getting cancelled. 5 2s are, means how much? 200. It is correct? This is equation number 1. Now, again by second condition. What is our condition number 2? What is that? 260 boxes of type A. Means what? 260x plus. Still there is some places vacant. So in that vacant place, how many boxes of type B? 40. See here, that 40 boxes, that still the vacant place is there. Means 40y. Again, the truck is completely loaded. Yes, you may see here 0, 0, 0. You may divide by 10 also. Even some extra part, if you divide by 20, then also okay. So divide by 20 to both sides. Divide 20 to both sides. What will you get? This 0, 0 getting cancelled. Divide by 2, that is 13x. Again, divide 0, 0 getting cancelled. 4 upon 2, that is 2y. This side 0 0 getting cancelled. 1000 upon 2, that is 500. This is equation number 2. Now the next part again. 2y means subtraction. So this is bigger number. So subtract 1 from 2. Yes, subtract 1 from 2. What is that? From 2 means write first, second condition. That is 13x plus 2y equal to 500. Subtraction, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Your usual procedure. Yes, change the sign. So this one getting cancelled. Here it is 10x. That side 300 means x equal to 30. Understand? This one we can put up in any one of the equation number 1 or 2. I will put up in 1. Substitute x equal to 30 in 1. So 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 200. Put up in the value of x here in this first equation. 3 into 30 plus 2y equal to 200. Here it is 90 plus 2y equal to 200. So 2y equal to 200 minus 90. 2y equal to 110. So y equal to how much? 55. So like this we can find the values x and y, both we find. What is x? Right here, weight of A type box, that is x, which is 30 kilogram. Okay, and weight of B type box, that is 55 kilogram. Okay, write neatly like this. Yes, you can verify also. See the first one. Thrice of x means thrice of x means what? 3 into 30, 90. And here 55. 55 into 2, 110. So 110 plus 90, 200. Similarly, here it is 13 3s are how much? 39. That is 0. That is 390. Okay. 2 into y means 110. 390 plus 110. Again 500 we get. Like this we can verify. Understand? See friends. Last one of this practice. See here, I'll read it. Out of 1900 kilometers, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Okay? So we have to find the distance covered by bus and the distance covered by aeroplane. That one we have to find out. So I will suppose that one. See here, let the distance covered by bus, the x kilometer, okay, and same the distance covered by aeroplane, be y kilometer. Okay, in all the distance between that particular the distance covered by Vishal how much? 1900 kilometer. Okay, Vishal covered total distance, that is 1900 kilometer. So easily we can write the first condition. By first condition, that means their sum is 1900 kilometer. Is it correct? Okay. Now, in the second one, we take very carefully. What they are given to us? They are given to us the speed of both. That is, the speed of bus and the speed of aeroplane. Both they were given to us. See here. The average speed of bus is 60 km per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. I'll write that one first. Okay. Average speed of bus is how much? 60 km per hour. Okay. And average speed of aeroplane. That is how much? 700 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now here, for traveling by both, he covered that 5 hours to complete his journey. 5 hours. 5 hours complete means what? Some by distance covered by bus and some by aeroplane. Okay. So we know that is hours means time they are given to us. Means we can write the formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Understand? This is just try to remember. So by the second condition, okay, the time required to cover by bus. What is distance covered by bus is x kilometer. It is distance. How much speed of bus? 60. This is the time. This is the time covered by bus. Plus, again, distance covered by aeroplane y. By with speed 700. So this much time for aeroplane. So for both, he can cover the full 1900 kilometer in 5 hours. Like this. Okay. Once you get this one, next part becomes very much easy. So first of all, we are going to make LCM. What is LCM? 60 and 700. So first of all, obviously, this 0 means multiply to both sides by 10. And after that, make it easy one by one. Then this becomes very much simple. So I'll multiply to both sides by 10 first. Okay? What will we get here? If we multiply by 10, we get here x upon 6, y upon 70. Is it correct? So we multiply by 10 means 1 0 getting cancelled. And that side, here it is multiply, so here it is 50. Now again, go with cross multiplication like this one. Okay, see here 70x plus 6y upon this multiply 7 6 are 42 means 0. Like this, try to simplify. Take that to that side. 70x plus 6y is equal to 50 into 420. So 70x plus 6y is equal to 2 zeros. Yes, 42 5s are obviously 210. Okay, like this. This is equation number 2. Okay, friends. Now, look here. This is first one, x plus y equal to 1900, and that is the second one. Here, this is 6y. Here also we can make by multiplying by 6. Then that one getting cancelled after subtracting. Or you may multiply here by minus 6 also. So multiply to both sides of equation number 1 by minus 6. Okay, let's see. What we get here? This is minus 6x, again minus 6y, and here multiply by 19 6 how much? 19 5s are 95, 19 6 are 140. Okay, here 2 zeros, and don't forget to write minus 1. This is equation number 3. Now second and third, it is very easy to add them by adding what you can write? Second and third. Okay, friends. See, these are very simple. Only we need what? Concentration. Okay, by adding minus 6x minus 6y is equal to minus 114. So this one getting cancelled. Here it is. Tell me how much? 64x. That side, see here, 0, 0. 10 minus 4, 6, carry 1. So 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2, 9, carry 1. It is 0, 9600. So x equal to 9600 upon 64. Now just make the simplification. See how both are divisible by 16. Remember this. 16 4s are 16 6s are. And here again 2 zeros. Again make division. 4 1s are 4 1s are. 2 remains 4 5s are. And that's 0. Means here it is x equal to 150. They asked the speed of or the distance covered by bus only, but we can find both one. Okay, now this one, substitute x equal to 150 in 1, which is very simple one. So x plus y equal to 1900, just try to put here 150 plus y equal to 1900. So y equal to 1900 minus 150, here it is 1750 kilometer. Okay? So write the final answer like this one. Both these you have to write here. Therefore, the distance covered by bus, that is x equal to 150 kilometer, and the distance covered by aeroplane, y is equal to how much? 1750 kilometer. Understand, friends? This is the system. This is the way. Don't fear about this word problems. Okay?